So the noise coming from the customer's vehicle is going to be the bearing inside this hub. So whenever he's driving down and this is spinning, the rumbling and bearing noise is coming through here, going through the body, and you can hear it inside the car. And that's going to be this bearing and the driver's side bearing as well. And this bearing is a pressed-in bearing. So what you would do is you take off this CV, this axle nut, take it off, then you're able to push it off, and then you have to get to the back side to take off the 4 screws, which are actually right here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It takes off the actual hub itself, and then you have to use a press to push that bearing out.